Look, today we're doing Unchill Reacts. Let's get right to it. Oh shit. What the heck? Sometimes garbage. What? Can you join me? No. What? Ew. Oh shit.
Fashion, glamour, fame, pickles. What?
You could sell your soul. I did, and look at me. I'm fine.
You can tell by the way I get.
This woman is my destiny, she said.
Shut up.
Shut up. Birds are singing. Isn't it beautiful? God, there was a big skeleton, a little skeleton, and a human.
What the heck?
Alphabeti spaghetti!
These days.
Oh, damn. On your mark. Get set. Slither!
What enemy? You spared me.
No! What the fuck is this shit?
I know.
Butthead, stay determined.
And his name is Shit!
I'm sorry.
Motherfucker. Money on my motherfucking mind. Got my haircuts at the same time. White gold pants, jet ski, made a wine. Guagua, Boston, Albert Einstein. Get money. Money at my motherfucking mouth. The mansion, a ranch, and a camp in a town. A motherfucking store with the
You heart man.
Would you like something to drink? She opened the fridge. We have water, milk, juice, spiders, Dr. Pepper. Spiders it is then.
No, that wasn't. But she was already pouring him a brimming glass of spider.
Last one there's a rotten egg. First one there is gonna lose her soul, and it's gonna swim that skin. Wait, no, what the hell?
Now created the world's largest functioning whooping machine. He's a crazy ex-husband.
What? No, I'm not.
He's a crazy ex-husband.
That's a sexist term.
He's a crazy ex-husband.
Can you guys stop singing for just a
He's
second?
so broken inside.
The situation's a lot more nuanced than that.
C-R-A-Z-Y.
Okay, we get it!
Crazy ex-husband.
I'm a brave boy.
Not a brave enough for this!
He's burning.
Skipper's beer battered fish value meal won't last at just $2.99.
That's the trash can. Feel free to visit it anytime.
Won't you come play with me?
No! Spiders! Spiders!
I can't swim.
How old are you?
6.
That was easy.
You thought this was over? Well, it ain't over till you...
Good shit, that's some good shit right there. If I do say so myself, I say so. That's what I'm talking about right there. Woo! Good shit!
Hey, bro, what do you want to eat?
The souls of the innocent.
A bagel.
No!
2 bagels.
Hey, get out of the way, twerp. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to get in your way. I can move. Yeah, I bet you're sorry, you little weirdo. I swear. Hey, if you talk to my cousin that way, you are going to regret it, darling.
Yeah, leave him alone, you little rat!
I'm sorry. It won't happen again.
I swear to God, if you say shit again, I will slap you so fucking hard you'll be halfway to Albuquerque.
Oh, hey, calm down.
I'm just so fucking mad!
Oh my shit.
Shit! Swedish style.
Human? Frisk? Are you alright?
Papyrus, what happened, man?
I don't know. They were just like this. What do we do?
Oh, God.
I mean,
Oh, God.
I could take
Oh,
a
God.
skeleton out of his
Not
body,
funny.
but I've heard that doesn't
No,
go
no,
over
no,
well
no,
with
no,
human
no, no,
types
no, no.
and...
Don't dare touch that.
Is that?
His soul? Don't worry, I'll just put it back.
No, don't touch it!
Wait, why not?
Dumb. Now you're turning this
Oh.
on.
God. Why?
Fear not, dear brother.
Wait, buddy.
I, Paphrikis, am fine and filled with determination.
Nothing about this is fine.
And that's not the best part.
There are no good parts either.
After all these years, finally, I have hair!
There goes our happy ending.
It's so beautiful!
Unfuse and undie right now.
I must sing!
Happy no.
Sans, I can't fight it! I must
Oh,
sing!
please, Papyrus, no.
And I say... I said yeah! What's going on? And I say yeah! I said yeah! What's going
Last video. I think I just cut. Oh my god, I think I just cut the video. Well, that was actually intimidating. I just cut the
Well, that was easy.
Over till you're dead. So cool. So cool. So cool.
Sans,
So
what are you
cool.
doing?
So cool. So cool. So cool.
Sans!
So cool. So cool.
Shut the fuck up, Sans!
Oh.
A steady beat goes 1, 2, 3, 4. A steady heart goes, I love you more. I know sometimes it's confusing.
Alright, you little demons. I'm gonna send you all back to hell where you belong. And there's a fire that I won't slay.
I know what.
Money on my motherfucking mind.
The sun is going down and the flowers are starting to wilt.
You fucked up, bitch.
Are you okay, flowers? I just want some fucking tea. They're having heterosexual sex.
This is how we do.
That's nice. Ready for this? This is gonna be a lot of sex. So
Umbrella at your side, it's raining, but you close it tight.
And how are you, Buttercup, just passing through?
Those heels that you like are soaking, but is that alright? Let out a sigh for another day, the same as the last. Come on, let's try Diet Blue and change it up from the past. Reflecting up from the puddle, but then gone in a flash. That's the most that you could dream or wanted to see. But look around,
Dance up and down,
the world is now
still going round.
just feel it
The
pound.
skyward bound.
Move at the top speed of sound. Running to another day, I wanna break away and take the lead. Ba-da-da, ba-da-la-la-la. As you're stuck on yesterday, no sun to rise would be okay with me. Every day is okay. Taking it step by step, we'll always move ahead. Our love is growing red. Need me more, need you more. You fall down 7 more times, I'll be there 7, 8, 9. As we keep trying, we'll find we're always singing the same tune.
now please, here we go, guys.
Hey, I think you're really cool. I like you a lot. Maybe we can hang out or something.
I have eyes, you know.
Alphabeti spaghetti!
Spooky, scary skeletons and shivers down your spine. Shrieking skulls will shock your soul, seal your doom tonight. Spooky, scary skeletons will speak with such a screech. You'll shake and shudder in surprise when you hear these zombies shriek. We're so sorry, skeletons, you're so misunderstood. You only want to socialize, but I don't think we should. A spooky, scary skeleton shouts startling, shrilly screams. They'll sneak under sarcophagus and just won't leave you be. Spooky, scary, spooky, scary, spooky, scary, spooky, scary, scary, shouts.
Babysitting is so easy. Yeah, I know. Our kid's so quiet. He hasn't said anything for like an hour. Is your kid in the pool? Nah, our kid can't swim.
I can't get you out of my
Sans, you can't just ask people why they're human.
Why not?
Can we have a moment of privacy, please?
Yep, again.
Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more.
I should keep an eye on shit.
She's nothing like a girl you've ever seen before. Nothing you can compare to your neighborhood. Oh, I'm trying to find the words to describe this girl without being disrespectful. Damn, girl. She's a sexy bitch. A sexy bitch. Damn, she's a sexy bitch. Damn, girl. Damn, she's a sexy bitch. A sexy bitch. Damn, she's a sexy bitch.
Damn. I already watched it like 50 million times.
Well, that was easy.
You thought this was over? Well, it ain't over till you're dead, punk.
Oh my god. This, I like that face. I like those happy face dots.
Look, I'm Flowey. Howdy, 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 howdy.
Give me that. You little sh.
So cool. So cool.
3 times now.
What are you doing?
So cool. So cool. So cool.
Sans!
So cool. So cool.
Shut the fuck up, Sans!
Cool.
Ready for this, Sans?
I don't think anybody could be prepared for this.
Shut up, Sans. You just can't understand perfection. Attention, monsters. My name is Papyrus. I'm a skeleton made with magic bolts and lots of cool. If you need proof, then look at my biceps because they're wearing sunglasses and that clearly means I rule. My cooking skills unrivaled when it comes to spaghetti with sauce and pasta noodles extra long. And not a single creature has survived the dish.
But Frisk just walked right past it.
Sans, don't interrupt my song! It takes a special kind of perfection just to match what I have been without ever having tried. And that's why Undyne wants me in the Royal Guard.
But aren't you still in training?
Hey, that doesn't mean I lied. So if you think that we can be pals, then you had better be prepared for immense amounts of fun. Unless you're human, and I'm afraid you'll be captured.
But you kinda made friends with one.
Sans!
What?
Stop plaguing my mixtape with incidental lyrics.
I thought they sounded pretty good.
Well, I think they sounded like not papyrus, which is the worst kind of sound to be.
Oh. Well, sorry then.
It's okay, Sans. I already forgive you. Come on, let's go get some ice cream.
Huh. The PC's actually on fire right now. I think that's the first time you successfully cooked something.
You're officially unforgiven, Sans!
Alright, you little demons. I'm gonna send you all back to hell where you belong.
Time is on off.
Money, 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 motherfucker. Money on my motherfucking mind. Cut off haircuts at the same time. White gold pants, jet ski made of wine. Block rub, bust the Albert Einstein. Get money. Money the mansion, a ranch, and a camp in a town.
Oh yeah, this is
Meow.
like you and love you.
Timmy Flakes, an original breakfast. Timmy Flakes, it's so good you can't taste it. Timmy Flakes, don't forget to digest it. Timmy Flakes in your mouth.
Timmy Flakes!
Part of a complete breakfast.
Flakes?
Good shit, good shit. That's some good shit right there. Right there. If I do say so myself, I say so. That's what I'm talking about. Right there, right there, right there. Woo! Good shit.
Then it just
Thank you for coming to this show, by the way. I really do appreciate you coming to a thing because you didn't have to.
Yeah.
And it's really easy not to go to things. It is so much easier not to do things than to do them. That you would do anything is totally remarkable. Percentage-wise, it is 100% easier not to do things than to do them. And so much fun not to do them, especially when you were supposed to do them. In terms of like instant relief, canceling plans is like heroin. It is an amazing feeling. Such instant joy. Kids don't like that. They want to do stuff. Kids get angry. They go, "Oh, we didn't do anything all day." But you ever ask an adult what they did over the weekend and they say they didn't do anything? Their faces light up. You're like, "What'd you do this weekend?" I did nothing. I did nothing at all. Did we do anything? No, I didn't do anything. People especially don't want to do their jobs. I've found that out recently too. I have a friend named Megan. She's an elementary school teacher. And I was out with her one night and she was drinking like a monster. And I said to her, "Don't you have to do a shift at school tomorrow?" And she went, "I'll just show a video." And I was like, "That's why teachers show videos?" She said this, she going, "Yeah, I don't want to work." And I was like, "You know, the kids don't want to work either." And she was like, "Good."
doing nothing.
Hey, get out of the way, twerp. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to get in your way. I can move. Yeah, I bet you're sorry, you little weirdo. I swear.
Hey, if you talk to my cousin that way, you are going to regret it, darling.
Yeah, leave him alone, you little rat!
I'm sorry. It won't happen again.
I swear to God, if you say shit again, I will slap you so fucking hard you'll be halfway to Albuquerque.
Whoa, hey, calm down.
I'm just so fucking mad!
Whoa.
Take a look at my hair. I use my hair to express myself.
That sounds pretty boring.
I use my hair to express myself.
Hey, bro.
Yes, my brother.
So, have you ever used any bofa in your spaghetti?
Sans, I am surprised at you. As a self-respecting chef, I of course use a bunch of fresh anchovies in every dish.
Sorry, bro.
That's all right, Sans. Besides, bofa is better for spaghetti than updog.
What is updog?
Not much. What's up with you?
We're gonna take it slow, take it easy, make sure everybody has a good time. Because what is skiing about? Having a good time. That's right. Now, just a few safety things to keep in mind. First of all, look straight ahead when you ski. If you look down, you're gonna fall. You're gonna have a bad time. Also, be aware of skiers around you. If you run into another skier, your skis are gonna cross. Gonna have a bad time.
So where's the part where we have a good time? Pizza, bye, bye. Pizza, bye, bye, bye.
Okay, you see what he did? He French fried when he should have pizzaed. You French fry when you pizza, you're gonna have a bad time.
Listen, I just want you to know what you did the other day was wrong.
What you did the other day was wrong.
You're not making this easy, Kyle.
You're not making this easy, Kyle. My name's Peter Griffin. I'm a big, fat, dumb buttface.
Shut up, Kyle.
I'm Peter Griffin. I'm a dorky, fat numbnuts.
Kyle, I said shut up.
You're a poop nose.
That was really, you got really hard on it.
Hey there, buddy, chum, pal, friend, buddy, pal, chum, bud, friend, fellow, brother, amigo, pal, buddy, friend, chummy, chum, chum, pal. I don't mean to be rude, my friend, pal, home slice, bread slice, dog, but I gotta warn ya, if you take one more diddly darn step right there, I'm gonna have to diddly darn snap your neck.
You ready? Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying?